Thinking about upgrading your kitchen with a modern pull-out faucet? In this video, I'll be walking you step by step through installing the Moen Georgene 87912SRS. From unboxing all the parts to removing the old setup and installing the new one, which you can do yourself. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe for more home improvement DIY guides.
Let's have a look at what we have here. Let's start with what's inside the box. The Moen Georgene faucet includes the pull-down shower head, the handle assembly, horseshoe and mounting hardware, and of course, a weight kit for smooth retraction. Everything you need is included, which makes it easier for homeowners and DIYers alike. Okay, here's where the fun begins. What you're going to want to do is, before installing, you're going to first want to make sure you disconnect the water supply or turn it off and carefully remove the old faucet. Always remember to turn off the valve underneath the sink before starting. This step is critical for a smooth and leak-free installation. Now it's time to install the Moen Georgene. I'll just go ahead and place the faucet through the sink opening. Next, go ahead and secure the hardware underneath the sink. Insert and connect the faucet spray head. Connect the hot and cold water supplies underneath the sink. Oh no, I didn't. Let's add this one to the bloopers. Next time, remember to remove the cap before installing. Now for the do-over. Wouldn't that be much easier if I did it this way before? Guess what? Sorry guys about the lighting. Moen's Quick Connect system. After tightening everything, go ahead and attach the weight for the pull-down sprayer. Then, go ahead and turn the water back on and test everything to make sure everything works without no leaks. Installation went smoothly. This Spot Resist Stainless finish helps to keep this faucet looking clean much longer, keeping away fingerprints and watermarks.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more home improvement DIY tips and guides. Have a great day.